My name is Miss Emma, and today we're learning about how to do PEMDAS in Python. So I talked about PEMDAS in the last math video or the previous video, and I kind of explained how to do it. So I'll explain it in coding version. So then basically, I'll do 4 examples, and I'll also put the video, like the math video, in the link in the description down below. So let's start. Let's do result 1. I'll name my thing result 1, or whatever this is called, my variable. So now let's just put 5 plus 2 times stars. The star is supposed to be a time thing that actually multiplies. So let's put print result 1. Okay, so we got 21 because 5 plus 2 is 7, and 7 times 3 is 21. And we always do the thing that's inside the bracket first, or the parentheses first, and then we do this thing outside. Okay, so now let's do result 2, and that equals 2. Let's do the same thing, but the only difference is that we don't put any parentheses. So where's that time thing? Multiply thing. And now print result 2. Let's run it, and we got 11. So how we got 11 is because if this is not in the parentheses, then this comes this is the second last thing you do. So the first thing we do is times, and then we do plus. Now let's put 3, third result. Let's put 6 to the power of, and this is how to do to the power of. You just put 1 and 2 stars. So it looks like 2 multiplications. Let's do to the power of 2. So it's kind of algebra. Or this is actually algebra. And let's do plus what? Let's do plus 2. Print. What do we print actually? Let's print, I don't know. Let's do a random one. Okay, wait, I forgot. Okay, never mind. But I didn't mean to say random one, but we put run. I meant to say print result, and that gives us 38. Because if you do 6 to the power of 2, that'd give you 36. Because 6 times 6 is 36, and so 36 plus 2 is 38. So that's where we got it. Result, and this one's the last one, the result 4. So we just gotta put the little parentheses, and let's put what should we put for this one? Let's do 5, or not 5. Let's do 9. I don't know. Maybe 9 divided by 5, and outside I'm gonna put plus 1. Let's do, I don't know, it's kind of random. Print result 4. And now let's run it. Oh, and it gives us 2.8. So you can just kind of play around with them, but this is how we get 2.8. So we do so what it would actually be is 1.8, but then you add 1 to it. It's plus 1, so then it becomes 2.8. So that's how we got 2.8. Thank you for watching my video. If you're more interested in videos like this, just like and subscribe. Bye!